stuck with excess stock, donate it and get a tax break. Here's how. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you news directly on Amazon Seller Central. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHPconsultinggroup.com, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. The only way we can do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So Amazon released some news. Get your FBA donations certificate for tax season. If you use FBA donations program, a donation certificate that you can download and provide to your tax advisor is now available in Seller Central. Your yearly donation certificate provides the value of your inventory that was donated through the program in the previous year. Contact your tax advisor to discuss the FBA donations program and determine whether a charitable deduction is an option for you. Now, I'm really surprised Amazon's doing this because, they're really helping sellers with this one. It even got 2 likes, which is pretty awesome, and I'm about to give it a 3rd if I have to log in. But anyway, for some different additional information on the FBA donations program, how it works, when you request a donation or a disposal of eligible overstock, returned, or other unwanted FBA inventory in the U.S. Fulfillment Center, Amazon makes it available to U.S. nonprofits. So if you have extra inventory, you can destroy it and pretty much give it to charities and get a tax certificate that you can give to your accountant to save money, which is great if you didn't want to pay for disposal fees. You can just do a donation instead, and you can be giving it away to charities. That's not only helping people, but also giving you a tax break. It's a double win when it could be a double lose, right? And you have eligible products. Pretty much almost all products are eligible, except if it's fake, a recalled product, dangerous and stuff. You don't want to be giving fireworks to kids, stuff like that. And then you can see who the partner is, how to opt in and how to opt out. So I'm going to show you how to opt into this program because you're probably not opt-in. And what you're going to do is log into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go into your settings right here, and you're going to go to Fulfilled by Amazon. So click on that button. It's going to take you here. You're going to do Control F, and you're going to go down to Donations, Donate. FBA donations program, you can see it's disabled, and to enable it, you just simply click the edit button. Once you click the edit button, just click enable, and then boom, now anytime you have excess inventory and you want to pretty much liquidate it or destroy it, you can give it away to that donations instead. And then all you have to do is go to sellercentral.amazon.com/donation/donation certificates. And at the end of the year, Amazon is going to be giving you the previous year's donation. So you can give this to your accountant and have a potential write-off, which is a win in my book. Now, I recommend to go to this page right away because you might already have this turned on by accident and have a lot of charitable donations that you've given away, and maybe you didn't know you didn't give it to your accountant. So now it's time to catch up on this. And how much money can you save? So deductions for charitable donations generally cannot exceed 60% of your adjusted gross income, although some cases limits of 20%, 30%, or 50% may apply. So you could be saving around, let's just say, 20% of your taxes. So let's say you owe $100,000 in taxes, you can reduce that by a potentially 20% because it can reduce your income if you're giving away these tax donations. So I'm not an accountant, I'm not a pro at this, but it definitely seems pretty good if you could get it to 50% and deduct your taxes by 50%. That sounds pretty awesome to me. And for staying towards the end of the video, to stay updated on Amazon's news, you can only see it on Amazon Seller Central. So you have to go back to the home page. Once you're on the home page, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click News, Read More. Once you're here, you're going to click All News. And now it's going to show you the news for every single day. And Amazon has been releasing a lot of different news that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. So the news seller news experience, drive sales with Prime exclusive discounts for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, which is super important. Some of them are important, some of them aren't, but it's great just to look at once a week, once a month, and just stay up to date with all of Amazon's different policies and changes. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently dominated or conquered Amazon, and drop a like if you learned something new. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel because we're giving away new content every single day that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. I'm Josh Hackett, and if you need help, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com in the description. We can fix any Amazon issue, as well as our #1 service is full account management. We'll manage your entire Amazon account, which is your advertising, customer service, contacting Amazon, removing fakes, and much, much more, so you can focus on your business instead of managing and calling Amazon every single day. We'll do the hard stuff, help you increase your sales, help you maintain your account, and you can do the easy stuff, which is making sure everything's right and everybody's in the right position and your company's growing. I'm Josh Hackett, signing out.